be sure to save this video as it's the last banana bread recipe you'll ever need. Best part, you only need one bowl. So in that bowl, add 3 ripe bananas and then mash them up. Next, we'll be adding 1/2 cup melted butter, followed by 1/2 cup white sugar. Next up, 1/2 cup brown sugar. Then we'll be adding 2 eggs, followed by 1/2 cup milk. The last of the wet ingredients, 1 teaspoon vanilla, but as you know, you measure that with your heart. We're going to mix all of the wet ingredients together, and then we'll start with the dry ingredients. The first dry ingredient is going to be 1.5 cups flour. Then we're going to add 1 teaspoon baking powder, followed by 1 teaspoon baking soda. Then we're going to do 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, and we're going to stir that until it's just combined. After everything is combined, it should look something like this. We'll pour that into our pan and get it ready for the oven. Bake at 355 for 45 to 50 minutes. Like I said, best recipe, unbelievably moist, so good you won't even miss the butter. Enjoy!